So what's happening here is that I put a fan here for my kids' garden seedlings so that there is a little bit of airflow in the room, because I kind of felt like this is a little too stagnated, the air in here. Here's the fan. And this fan does not run all day at all. Like I maybe run it for 5 minutes, like 5 minute in the morning and 5 minute in the afternoon or something like that. And as you can see, it kind of creates a drift in the room. It makes sure that that the air is flowing, so it's not stagnated and it doesn't get moldy and too wet. And it also ensures that my seedlings kind of get used to the outside weather, which will be helpful when I want to harden them off later.
Hola, ¿cómo está? ¿Estás bien? ¿Cómo la hace? ¿Estoy bien?
Not in Spanish. What are you doing? In English, please.
Hello, friends. Okay, I have no idea.
It's falling.
I don't know how to translate.
Pay attention, please.
Okay.
Do your work.
Water.
Okay, so what are you doing? What do we have here? I think that's good. Go on the other side now. There you go. We have our spinach and radish growing here. We have a pea that's going up and up and up, and it's reaching the light, so we have to move that. But we have 2 more pots that didn't grow, so maybe we should grow some more peas. Do you agree?
The pea is a Jack in the Jack stock. It's gonna burn right now.
It's the bean. Okay, so what do we have up here? What are these, Nikta?
They're tiny Swiss charts for our Luty Fuzzy.
For your dolly? No, they're for us. They're gonna get bigger. Trust me.
No, well, it looks.
What about these? Whoa, look at your mustard greens growing.
Violetta plant.
Crazy. And we have arugula is doing really well too. Let's go on the other side. What do we have here?
Parsley.
Parsley and coriander and more arugula. And what about down here?
Soil.
Soil? Yeah, but what was supposed to grow here?
See, they're not.
These are not yet, but at the back they are. Did you see the 2 at the back?
Those?
No, at the back. Yeah, that one too.
That?
Yeah.
That?
Those are growing. Your cherry tomatoes are growing.
What is this?
What about the marigolds? One of them is. Not too bad.
I never saw the marigold. It's gonna burn right now.
It's good. So.
Oh, it's gonna bend. The light is bending it.
The light is bending it, so maybe we should.
See?
Right. Maybe we should bring this up a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah, I can't do that now because I'm holding the camera.
Okay.
But we'll do it after.
I'll try my best.
No. I think that's too heavy for you, honey.
I don't know how to.
At least let me help you later, okay? So you do the watering.
Mis amigos tuas.
No Spanish, thank you. Nikta has started to learn Spanish on her own. She is really excited and interested about that. Okay. No, it's so funny. That's not funny. It is funny. All right. So what else do we want to grow? I think we should grow a bit more peas because our peas didn't grow very well.
Strawberries.
Strawberries aren't for now. Those are for later. But right now, I think some more peas would do.
I want strawberries.
Oh, we do have a strawberry upstairs, remember? The one we rescued from the corner of the backyard, and it's growing really well. So
Let's go see upstairs.
So when the time comes, we're gonna plant that outside, okay?
Let's go to the kitchen and see that plant.
See the strawberry?
1, 2, 3,
But I think they have already seen it.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3.
Where are you going?
I don't know where the
Where's the straw? You don't know where the strawberry is? Are you kidding me?
Yes.
No, don't joke with me. Of course you know where it is.
I don't know where it is. Seriously.
So, let's get a chair.
Hola, ¿cómo está? Is this the strawberry?
Nikta. Yeah, I think that's the strawberry.
No,
What do you think?
it's the leaf. See, there's a leaf growing.
Yeah, nothing's growing in there. What is
No,
this?
there's a
What
leaf.
is this? No, be serious, okay? Be serious.
I can't smell anything.
Yeah, you can't smell it? Here.
It's bleh.
Mint.
It doesn't smell like
Okay.
mint.
That's mint. I think winter has had its effect.
Let's see what. Oh,
Okay.
there was a tissue. What is
Nikta.
this?
What is it?
Don't know.
Nikta, be serious, please.
Is it the strawberry? It is.
Yes.
It's the strawberry.
That's the strawberry. So
It
we're
doesn't
gonna.
smell like strawberry.
It's growing really well. You see. So we are gonna grow that outside in
And
the
what's
garden
this?
when the time comes. This is the lettuce that's growing a flower
I
and
want it
seeds.
to smell.
Remember, this is the lettuce that's growing
Lettuce
a
doesn't have a
flower and
smell.
seeds. It's bolting.
This isn't our lettuce, you know. It was a present.
Yes. No, we bought it. It wasn't
was
a present. Who gave us the present?
You said that one of your friends gave you this.
No, I bought it from the grocery store, honey.
No.
Yes, I did.
No.
I did.
No.
Whatever. We didn't grow it ourselves. That's right. We
Yes.
did not grow this ourselves. It was bought. And then what's
No,
happening?
it was presented.
Right. Yes. Whoever bought it. And now it's bolted out. And it's going to give us a flower and soon seeds. Right?
Take a picture of me and Lettuce.
Oh, okay.
No, wait. No, wait. No, wait.
Awesome.
wait.
All right.
Which picture did
Say
you get?
bye.
Which picture did you get? No, 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 no.
Bye bye.